Good day, viewers. Pwalpar here. I'm going to make a little bit of a, not a part two, just a continuation of what I was talking about yesterday. We're going to cook some packets on the grill. I'm a little hungry, so I'm sucking on a piece of butterscotch candy while she's in there fixing stuff. We're going to do some grilling out here today. First of all, let's take a look at my plants. I cut these, and you see that where they're cut in half. That's all it was. I left 1, 2, 3 leaves on there that were cut to keep it alive, where it would root. But these are all new. This thing has grown new leaves. These two here are those yellow bushes you see out there by my bird bath. I cut pieces of those off. Daisies, black-eyed Susans, I can't remember what they were. This one here is growing all new leaves. And they all looking pretty healthy. Look at the new leaves coming on this one. So I successfully propagated those plants. And I'm sure they're not going to look big or anything else until probably early into next year. But if I can keep them alive through the winter, we'll put them out on the property there somewhere next year. Just got through watching another video on YouTube. I talked in yesterday's video about narrow boats, and some of you might find that subject of interest. If you do, I'm going to put a link to a video that I just watched that was rather unique. Talking about journeys on the canal. It's an old couple. They're retired actress. She's came down with like Alzheimer's, and they were the first people to ever start using the canals again back when they restored them in I don't know, 30, 40 years ago. And it's very interesting. I think you'll find the video of interest, so I'm going to put a link to it in my description. And it's well worth watching. Check it out if you got the time. Anyway, I'm going to do my getting set up for the cleaning the grill. And we're not going to cook any steak or anything. I think I'll just take some smoked sausage and wrap it in aluminum foil and let them cook on here. We'll put our vegetable packets on there and have some cooked vegetables. I see right now I'm going to have to go to Walmart somewhere and get some more flower pots. I'll show you a project that I was talking about doing. I got a boat tower out there behind the deck, and I gotta physically saw one side of it with a reciprocating saw or a knife or something. I don't want to get my hands dirty today. I'm gonna flip it inside out and make a planter. So that's going to be an upcoming project. This time of year, I imagine some people up north are starting to cool off, but it's still pretty hot out here today. What the temperature is, it's 92 right here in the shade. And this is like 4 o'clock in the afternoon, 5 o'clock. We've had no rain at all. We got no rain from the hurricane whatsoever. It just kind of passed us by. Some of those folks got more than their share of rain, but it weren't us. I've used the heat as an excuse to get out here and do a little bit of nothing except cut the grass once in a while. But I ain't able to do as much as I used to do. I've got a lot of projects I've never finished, and I'll get to them when I can. Anyway, let's go get started on my cooking my packets. And y'all be sure and check out the video that I think you'll find of interest to watch. Well, I'm trying to make a video and a motorcycle just went by. You can hear him for 3 miles. Must have been a Harley Davidson. Couldn't even hear myself think, let alone talk on my video. It's one thing, disadvantage of living by a busy highway. You have to put up with traffic noise. We're going to have smoked sausage and some kielbasa. We're going to just wrap it in aluminum foil and put it on there. And I've already showed you my vegetable packets. We'll plop them on there in just a minute. Okay, Contrary Mary's being funny today. She put an AH on that one. I think it stands for asshole. But I told her it stands for Astounding Human. L, that's Linda. She's having dinner here today. And M, we know who M is. Contrary Mary. Anyway, we're going to cook those about an hour. And I'm only going to do my sausage about 30 minutes. So I need to give these a head start. I'll come out and lower the flame if necessary later. It ain't got up to full heat temperature yet. But it will. Heck, I'll go ahead and lower it a little bit. It's been kind of a casual, carefree, do-nothing day. My vegetable packets are starting to smell good. They've been cooking a good 35 minutes. Put my sausages on to cook. We'll give them 20-25 minutes. By then, we'll be ready to stuff our face. Temperature's good. If I had smell-o-vision, I'd let you smell these vegetables cooking. They're smelling really good. I did get out and smoke a pork butt on my smoker out there on Memorial Day, but I didn't video it. Anyway, I appreciate you tuning in to my vlog today. Not a whole lot of interesting stuff for those who like seeing my projects and stuff, but we'll get back to making some decent project videos real soon. Thanks for tuning in to my vlog today. This is Pwalpar wishing everybody a good day.